Not bad, buddy. Okay, so we gotta go through this now. What is this? Expression Fusion by Neikdian. 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 I don't know. But anyway, this is actually very cool, man. You've got power over the top and the bottom. So I like this. And actually, they've done a pretty good job with this. Like, you know, the nice thing about this is you can tweak all of them until you get what you're looking for. And actually, they've done a pretty good job with this. Let's have a look at it, okay? So here it is. If you go into products, there it is, Expression Fusion, and I see EF there. So if I type EF in here, pick Angela, EF, and it doesn't show up right away, but if you go all the way down, you'll start seeing the EFs. Wasn't the best keyword they chose for this, but here they are, EF, okay? So let's have a look at these things, man. Let's have a look at these things. These are pretty damn cool, man. They've done a cool job. I like this. Look at that. Everything kind of moves beautiful. You can go down or you can go the other way. Even the eyes move depending on which way you go. They've done a cool job. Look at this, man. Boom, boom. That's looking good. They look good. Yeah. They look good. So these are all the lower ones now, right? And the nice thing is you can mix and match these things, man. Look at this. Look at this. Very cool stuff, man. I absolutely love this pack, man. This is something that I would start off with. I would start off with this pack, and then I would refine with the Vin Maze. I would refine with the Vin Maze. So, man, look at this. This is giving you defaults that are very difficult to get, man. You can do all this with the Vin Maze pack, by the way, or I think you'd need a bit of ZBrush too. But they've actually put a good amount of work and effort in actually making usable blend shapes, man. They've done this is wicked. This is awesome. Love this pack. Love it. Because I can get my base from this, and then I can jump into ZBrush or Vinmay and start refining. Look at this. These are the eyes. Look at that little bit of a snarl. Snarl. Look at that. Wow. Very cool, man. Very cool. Very, very, very cool. You, my boy, girl, whatever you are, you did a good job on this, man. Kudos. Give us more of this kind of stuff. This is what we're looking for. Give us more control over these kind of things. Still with the expressions. So you're giving us such wicked things with the upper and the lower. That's fantastic. Give us maybe, okay, fine. It's going a little bit far, but one eye, and then the mouth would be ridiculous. But look at this, man. Look at this. Look how everything moves. Yo, you did a good job, man. You did a great job. You did a great job, boy. You did a great job, boy. You did a great job. Look at this. There, look at that pain. Bam, you want pain? There's pain. Man, this is really cool. I actually used this in my latest image, this addict. I used this a little in that one, and it helped, man. It helped a lot. It was fantastic. It helped a lot. Sure, I had to go to ZBrush, but that image. I don't know, man. I'm still not happy completely with the expression. I wasn't happy with it, but dude, I took ages on that image, man. I had to chuck it out. I would have gone on for years. Anyway, there it is, man. So you can start creating some really nice bases with this. What is this one? This is the one that I wanted to see. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, this is the screamer, right? Let's have a look. Let's try and see what we can do here. Let's go here. Something like that. So you can start mixing and matching these things together. And man, you're getting some really cool stuff, man. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Das ist sehr richtig, mega, ganzen Griffe. Krass, na? Damn. Yeah, she's looking great, man. I mean, this is amazing. Go ahead, check it out, and see if this is for you. This is. I wish there was more of this. I wish there was more of this. Look at this, man. Look at this. Get like a real big smile in there or something. You know, sure, I've overdone it completely now and I've destroyed it, but man, look at this kind of. Look at this. Yeah, no, huge. Huge. Love this. Absolutely love this, man. Did a good job. You did a very good job. I love the fact you've got the lower and the top. Well done, man. Well done in putting the effort in there. Did a good job. Really good job, man. There it is. So, just by taking and transforming and doing a couple of cool things, man, you can create something really amazing. Yeah. Definitely. Yeah. So I mean, if you're into like expressions and you do quite a bit of expression work, this is a no-brainer. This is really a no-brainer. This is a fantastic set. You can create some really interesting expressions with this, and even if you use it just to get your base or whatever, man, it's a winner. This one. This is lovely. This is a nice surprise for me. This is a great surprise for me. Anyway, guys, I hope this helps, and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.